Alright, welcome back everyone. What we've got here is a 2001 Ford Excursion. And I've been having problems with this overhead display not working. And it got to the point where you could kind of push on it a little bit and it would light back up. So pretty sure there's a loose connection. And from just a little bit of research I've done, it looks like that's a pretty common problem. So turn the vehicle on. I've got no display on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this down, take this off. Looks like we got one screw in here, and it's holding this up. And then I'm pretty sure the rest are just clips and connectors. So get this out of the way. You know, I love this this Excursion. It's been a really good family vehicle for us. Also a good pull vehicle. There, my goodness. All right, well, let's go ahead and take this thing in the house and we'll go ahead and get it started. All right, so the spot we're concerned with is underneath here. So we'll need to take these screws out. Okay, looks like there's one clip here. Alright, and then this is what we're going to be taking a look at. Alright, so I hate these type clips here. They're so brittle, especially this. This Excursion is 22 years old now, and becoming quite the collector. It's got a 7.3 diesel in it, and I've had offers for more than what I paid for it, but we like it too much, and I can't get a replacement to be able to, you know, do what we need to do. It's just not feasible. Alright, so okay, I think I've already seen the problem here. See if I can't focus in on it. So I'm gonna, if you look right back here, right back in there, you'll see that resistor right there has come unsoldered. So that should be our problem right there. So I'm going to push it down in place and then resolder it. So alright, let's get set up here. Alright, I'm going to try to just gently push this display a little bit up without breaking that solder joint there to give us access to this spot right here. So get some solder, get my solder tip cleaned up. Let me see if I'll be able to push it down. I've already pushed it back into place, and let's get a little bit of solder on it. See if we can't hold it into place there. Yeah, so when they push these in, they just pushed it in through the board, and this is probably all just machine pressed in there. Let's try a little bit more fresh again solder. Okay. All right. Well, let's take a look at that and see if it's going to come up at all. Try to wiggle it around. Alright, that looks like it's stuck down. So, let me see if I can't zoom in here for you. So, right here is our solder joint. Alright, let's get it put back together. So, this is keyed, kind of like so. This I did have pushed a little bit, but it looks like that'll make its contact. Yeah, if that didn't work, we'd be able to probably hit a junkyard, and it's a gold mine for parts a lot of times for stuff like this, because this is gonna be in your Ford Expeditions, your F-250s, Explorers, probably even some Crown Vics, Lincolns. You got lots of options where this will probably end up being, if you had to locate one. Now, come on now, stop being stubborn. Tell you what's stubborn. Nothing's more stubborn than a goat that don't want to go somewhere. Those things are freaking stubborn. They're fun though. Alright, we got it back together, got it in place. We'll be able to plug it in, see if we've got any indication. And yeah, we'll go from there. A little cold out there. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get these connectors put back together. I got one screw here. All right, I think you can see there. All right, look at that. It is working. It looks like it's flashing in the video, but in reality, it's not flashing. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It is facing north. Let's check the compass, and it is facing in a north direction. All right. Success. Remember, you can't fix anything if you ain't out there turning wrenches. Thanks for watching, guys.